Imagine your robot can sense everything, but it can't communicate with you. What's the use? The real power of electronics began when devices can talk to each other. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GSM, GPS, LoRa, NRF. These are all communication modules. But what exactly they do? How are they different? And which one should you use in your project? Hello everyone, welcome back to Junaid Innovates. In this video, we are going to understand about communication modules from the basics and see how these modules allow microcontrollers like Arduino Uno, ESP32 and STM32 to communicate with each other. So, if you are Arduino, ESP32, IoT, robotics or embedded system, this video is definitely for you. Let's get started. First, start with HC05 Bluetooth module. An HC05 is a Bluetooth communication module used to create wireless serial communication between microcontroller and smartphones, PCs or other Bluetooth devices. Understand this thing. It is used to create wireless serial communication. It creates serial communication between microcontroller, which one you are using, and your smartphone or Bluetooth devices. This is the physical appearance of this board. Here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 6 pins in this module. This is the reset button of the module from where you can set the module in different mode. These are the features of this module, like it support Bluetooth 2.0, work as master or slave device, UART serial interface. UART stands for Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. Easy pairing with phones and PCs. You can easily pair this module with your phone and your laptop, and it consumes very low power. This is the pin configuration of this module. Here we have VCC pin, ground pin, transmission pin, receiver pin, state and enable pin. Here VCC pin is connected to your power supply, ground pin is connected to ground, TXD is connected to your RX in Arduino, and RXD is connected to your TX in Arduino. You can leave these two pins, only you can use only these 4 pins. This is the working of module. The module power on and inter pairing mode. It paired with a Bluetooth enabled device. Data is transmitted wirelessly through UART serial communication. The microcontroller send receive data through TX and RX pin. This is the golden node. SC05 is one of the easiest module for beginners to add wireless control to Arduino or ESP32 project. Here we have our second module which is NRF24L01. This is also a wireless module. NRF24L01 is a 2.4 GHz wireless transmit receiver module used for short range, low power communication between robots, sensors and microcontrollers. From the definition, you can understand that it is a 2.4 GHz wireless transceiver module. Means you can use this module in as a transmitter or receiver, and it is used for short range, and it consumes very low power. Here the features of this module, which is same as 2.4 GHz ISM band operation, low power consumption, support multiple channels and addresses, SPI interface, data rate up to 2 Mbps. This is the pin configuration of this board. Here we have 1, 2, 3, total 4 pins. The VCC pin of your module is connected to 3.3 volt from the microcontroller. Ground pin is connected to ground pin. CE pin is connected to your microcontroller, which you select in your code, and CESN pin is also connected to your microcontroller. Here we have another pin description like SCK, MOSI, MISO, and IRQ. You can check this pin description using only any online site. Here we have golden node. NRF24L01 is ideal for robot to robot communication because it offers fast, low latency wireless link at very low cost. Means if you want to make 2 robots and you also want that 2 robots communicate between each other at a low distance and very fast accuracy, you can definitely use this module. Here we have our third module, which is SX1278 LoRa module. LoRa stands for long range. This is the definition. SX1278 is a LoRa, which is long range wireless communication module designed for low power, long distance data transmission over several kilometers. You can use this module for making project which require a very large long distance communication. This is the physical appearance of this board. Here we have multiple pins for connection. This is the feature. Long range communication module. It consumes very low power, operate in 433 megahertz, and it has SPI interface. SPI stands for serial peripheral interface. And here we have the pin configuration of the module: VCC, ground, SCK, MISO, MOSI, NSS, reset, DI, O0. Here we have golden note. SX1278 LoRa is perfect for IoT projects such as remote monitoring, agriculture, and smart cities, where long-range communication is needed with minimal power. Suppose if you want to make agricultural project where you want several kilometer distance communication, you can definitely use this module in your project. Here we have our fourth module, which is SIM800L GSM module. This is a type of module which is fitted to your mobile phone, by using which you can communicate easily and talk to other person. This is the definition. SIM800L is a GSM/GPRS communication module that allow microcontroller to send SMS, make calls, and access basic internet service over mobile network. Here you can see this module can be used to send SMS, calls, and we can also access internet using this module. This is the physical appearance of this board, and these are the features like quad band GSM support, SMS and voice calling, GPRS data connectivity, UART serial interface, compact and low cost module. Here we have pin configuration of this module, which is BCC connected to power supply, GND connected to ground, TXD stands for transmit data, and RXD stands for receive data, and RST stands for reset pin. One thing you have to notice in every module, the TXD pin of your module is always connected to the receiver pin in microcontroller, and RXD pin of the module is always connected to transmission pin in microcontroller. Here we have golden note for this module, which is SIM800L is excellent for SMS alerts, remote controls system, and IoT project where simple mobile connectivity is enough. Here we have our fifth module, which is SIM6700 4G LTE module. This is the definition. SIM7600 is a 4G light communication module that provides high-speed internet connectivity, GPS support, SMS, and voice calling for IoT and embedded system. The main difference between this module and this module is that you can enjoy internet connectivity in very high speed using this module as compared to SIM800L module. This is the physical appearance of this module. Here you can see in this section our SIM is inserted. This is a USB Type-C. This is the feature of this module. It is 4G LTE high-speed connectivity, backward compatible with 3G and 2G. Means this module can also work very perfectly with third generation and 2nd generation communication. GPS, GNSS support, SMS and voice calling, USB and UART interface. Here we have our pin configuration, which is VCC connected to your power supply. Note one thing, that always the VCC pin of your module, any module, is connected to your power supply. The requirement of power supply is mentioned in the data sheet. The ground pin is always connected to ground, whatever the module. Here we have our transmit data pin, receive data pin, and PWR key, power control, USB plus USB minus for USB communication. This is the golden note for this module, which is SIM7600 is best choice when your IoT project need reliable internet connectivity anywhere, such as vehicle tracking, remote cameras, and cloud connected devices. Here we have our sixth module, which is ZigBee module. ZigBee is a wireless communication module based on Zigbee protocol used for reliable mesh networking and a low power IoT application. This is the physical appearance of this board. Here we have also, you can say this is a antenna fitted in this portion, and these are the features of this module, which is mesh networking support, low power consumption, low battery life, long battery life, secure communication, indoor range up to 100 meters and plus. This is the pin configuration of this board, where we have VCC, ground, data input, data output, and reset pin. Here we have golden node for this module. Zigbee is widely used in industrial automation, smart homes, and sensor networking. Here we have ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. This is the module which we earlier discussed in our other video, where I covered ESP8266 family. It can also provide internet connectivity to microcontroller and IoT devices. This is the feature in this module, which is a built-in TCP/IP stack, Wi-Fi 8011, low cost, support Arduino IDE, can work as a standalone microcontroller. Here, this is the pin configuration of this board. You can easily understand the configuration. And here we have ESP32, which we already discussed in our previous videos in ESP32 family. If you want to learn ESP32 family, then you can definitely check the video. So, and here we have our last module, which is NRF 52840. NRF 52840 is a low power wireless module from Nordic Semiconductor, supporting Bluetooth 5, Zigbee, Thread, and ANT. These are the features of this module, which is Bluetooth 5 long range. In the previous, we have talked about Bluetooth 2, which have very short range, but this module has very long range, ultra low power consumption, Zigbee and Thread support, USB connectivity, excellent battery life. NRF 52840 is widely used in smart wearables, BLE devices, and industrial applications. So this is the end for this video. I think learning about these modules is enough to make your project wirelessly and connect your project with internet. And you can make different types of IoT and embedded system project using these modules.